Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon, or other menu to change the captions. Take 500 grams of lamb chops. Pierce the chops with a fork, to help soak the spices in the chops. Marinate for half an hour, with a teaspoon of salt and a quarter cup of lemon juice. Add half a cup of yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon green chili paste. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add half a teaspoon of crushed red chilies. Add half a teaspoon of Indian mixed spice. Mix well to cover all the chops and make a smooth mixture. Marinate for another half an hour. Place the chops on the grill. We are using an indoor smokeless grill from Philips. However, it is the same as a charcoal grill. Cook evenly, turning over periodically. Once evenly cooked, remove from the grill.